Today I will be describing about the plants that will fit into small pots. Let's see which plants will suit into small pots and tubs and mugs where you can grow them really very well. So let's see what are the plants that will fit into these mugs and small pots. Which plants are suitable for small pots? Today the topic is that. So today I will be sharing with you some of the plants that will fit into small pots and mugs. So let's see what are the plants. So the first beautiful plant is Syngonium. Now here I have kept it under this Aralia plant and it's in the same pot. I kept it like that to give it a green look. Both these plants are the same foliage so that it will give a green look. So I have kept this small mug inside the Aralia plant pot. I have these ivy plants growing in the Dracaena pot. So now here the Dracaena plant in a big pot and these small pots are inside that, and also this is providing some shade to the plants. During the hot weathers, tricks like this will do because these plants prefers the moisture soil, so these plants are under the Dracaena plant and get a cover from that as well. So now here I have another small pot that is also a type of Syngonium and it is also under the plant of this Dracaena. Here I have some small pots with the Erica palm plant. My Erica palm plant is here, and in the same pot I have kept some nerve plants. So they are in small pots. Here I have a money pothos plant in the mogra plant. So I have kept it under the shade of the mogra plant and it's in a small pot. Due to the drought, these bamboo plants have been dried out so much, see, and I have kept it in a shady area too. And here I have a small pot of money pothos, and also I have another cup aloe vera plant growing in the same pot and it's in a small mug. Here is a sansevieria plant growing in the mug. So here are some of the plants that are in mugs. This is money pothos and pothos varieties. And here I have a spider plant in a small mug. This is a bamboo plant, again money pothos. So these are some of the plants that fit into small mugs and planters. What you have to do is time to time you have to give fertilizer, and also not only that, when the time is up you have to transfer them to ample pots where they will fit into. So now when this spider plant grow little bit bigger than this, I will have to transfer it to a bigger pot because they need space to grow. So at the first place they fit into any small size of pot. Important tip to carrying plants in small pot is time to time transferring them to the right size of pots. Do not keep them in these small pots for a long time. So that is the most important thing, and how to care for the plants that in small pots.